everybody. How are we all doing? I want to say a very big thank you to all my viewers all over the world, my YT family and friends. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for your massive support. Today, in this video, I'm going to be sharing a very healthy and nutritious smoothie using all natural ingredients that is loaded with healthy minerals, antioxidants, vitamins, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial properties that will help you get rid of toxic inflammation, prevent some conditions, and enable you stay in good health and enjoy life in full, being happy at night. Drink this smoothie once daily for effective result for 14 days. Yeah, this smoothie is loaded with watermelon. We know what watermelon contains. Watermelon is like Viagra. Watermelon may be a natural Viagra that boosts the popular summer fruit. Is richer than experts behind, in an amino acid called vatrelin, which relaxes and dilutes blood vessels, much like a Viagra and other drugs meant to treat erectile dysfunction. But this Viagra is the best and is the natural way, to boost your joystick. Banana contains antioxidant, magnesium, and potassium. Apple, the same thing. Lime juice is powerful with even if you have 3 wives. With this smoothie, you drink it every night before bedtime, or you drink it every day. They will make you ride like a horse. No more early arrival man. Sexual performance, when you take this smoothie regularly, is full of vitamins and nutrients, and when you drink it, your stamina will be like an elephant room. So now I'm gonna slice the apple. So that is the banana, watermelon, and apple. You can use any apple. You can use red apple, gala apple, any apple. It doesn't matter. So far it's apple, okay? So that is the watermelon, that is the banana, and that is the apple. Green apple I'm using. Use any apple of your choice. Smoothie blender. That is my little smoothie blender, okay? This blender container is like a cup. You just blend and you carry the cup along with you to work. I will not put water to blend it because watermelon got a lot of water and banana. So that is the blender. I'm gonna put the lemon juice in now, okay? Lemon juice goes in there. This is a powerhouse. When the man drinks this, even if he has 3 wives, 2 wives, 5 wives in the house, he will perform his duty as the king of the house. Yes, trust me.